That marks the sixth slaying this month by the car park killer. In lighter news, it's Halloween night. The weather is breezy with the low
Later, Kay.
67.
Happy Halloween.
And the high
You too, Chris.
72.
Try to stay alive.
My keys! Hello? Is anyone out there? Please, I need help. Please, I need... Please don't kill me.
Whoa! Slow down there. What are you doing here after hours?
There's a murderer in the building.
Murder? Are you sure?
Yes, they killed Tay in the parking garage.
Well, there's bad signal here. Let's go back to my office and we'll call the police from there. Run. What's the emergency?
Hello, there's a murder in the building and he's killed 2 people already and he's coming for me next.
Slow down. Where are you?
I'm at the Northside Mall. Please, send help.